In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a book cover with Figma, an easy tutorial that's perfect even if you're new to design. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that's accessible right from your web browser. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Figma's website. This will be your starting point. Once you're there, look for the login button, which should be prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly sign up and log in with your information. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on Figma's homepage, which is your main hub for all projects. From here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be intuitive, putting all your recent projects and shared files at your fingertips. Move on to the next task by clicking on Design. This will open up the design workspace where all the creativity really happens. Here you have access to a multitude of tools ready for you to explore and utilize. Now let's enhance your cover design by searching for Unsplash within the Figma interface. This step is crucial because Unsplash is a fantastic resource to find high quality, free to use images that you can incorporate into your book cover. Next, click on Unsplash from the search results. This will integrate Unsplash directly within the Figma environment, providing seamless access to an extensive library of visuals without leaving your workspace. After selecting Unsplash, you'll want to click on the Run command. This action activates the Unsplash plugin within Figma. This convenience allows you to easily browse and import images directly into your design project. At this stage, you should take a moment to consider the theme and style of your book cover. What imagery or colors represent your book's message effectively? Search specifically for these elements in Unsplash, and once you find a suitable image, simply import it into your Figma workspace. Now use Figma's design tools to layer text, shapes and textures over your chosen image, experimenting with the alignment and typography until you're satisfied with the layout. Don't forget to leave some space for the title and author's name. A balanced design is key to capturing the attention of potential readers. Throughout this process, regularly save your progress. In Figma, changes are automatically saved, a feature that ensures none of your hard work gets lost. Once your design is complete, you can export it in various formats, ready to be shared or printed. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to creating stunning book covers using Figma. Whether you're an aspiring author or a designer, these skills will empower you to produce professional grade designs efficiently. Happy designing!